Hello friends, EJ here with the Back Porch, and I'm coming at you again with some of this anti-spark metallic stuff that everybody in our viewership really adores. The vendor says this is Beryllium. A lot of you people on our Facebook page and YouTube channel have said that it's something else, but it's supposed to be non-spark, and I've had individuals talk about how it's carcinogenic if it's polished and things like that, so kind of spooky, but this one's polished. 12-inch, pretty cool. Schick brand, made in USA. Good adjustment, has a good sheen to it. Pretty cool piece. Well, we're going to be talking about some of our tools here in the tool booth again. It seems to be a pretty popular thing. A lot of people like our tools in our tool booth. I got lots of goodies to show you. Some really cool pieces. I love these little squares when he gets these in. It just kind of shows an era of prestige in a kind of in an industry. This is a brass and wood, been polished up nice. Even the little tacks are polished up really well. That's pretty cool. I also like these little hammers. To me, that's the perfect size for pounding out anything on the farm, really, that needs to be. They call that a shop or blacksmith handle, just a little two-pound hammer there. Pretty cool piece. Try not to knock that off on my toe. There's some other pretty cool pieces here. You might like this for those of you who like these sorts of draw knives. This one has adjustable handles for adjustable angles. So you would, whatever angle you need. Of course, those handles don't match, but you could use it for that particular angle and adjust it. Kind of a rare piece. You don't see those very often. I got a couple of those. Here's a grotesque tool, if you will. He calls this a sugar beet harvesting knife. Sharpened on this side with this crazy looking hook. Looks like some sort of Thanksgiving tool or some sort of grotesque tool that would be used. You could really put a hurting on somebody with a tool like that. So again, sugar beet harvesting knife. Pretty cool piece. Check out this torch. Look how pretty that is. Monitor made in England brass torch. Just about perfect in all the polish and been painted up. Just has a good look to it. Now imagine this, this would have been used for a certain specific I don't really know what purpose. Maybe some of you all could chime in as to what it might be used for, but maybe, of course, either heating up some sort of metallic substance or maybe lighting off agriculture fires or something along those lines. There's that possibility. Pretty cool piece right here. You just don't see this stuff very often. That's why I like Jack, our tool guy. Buggy wheel hub auger. So this is an auger, as you can tell, for a buggy wheel hub. This would have been used for somebody that was making wagons or buggies or things like this back before. And you can see the shave there. It's real sharp. But before, they would have been used by, before you'd had any kind of power tools. Tools like this, of course, would have to be used. So, buggy hub shave. Pretty cool piece. Again, that's another one you don't want to drop on your toe. It would go all the way through. For some of you hatchet people, cool old brass Craftsman here with the sheath. It's got that look to it. This is the Bicentennial piece, original handle. Craftsman hatchet, Bicentennial 1776 to 1976, as you can tell, pretty cool piece. Great hatchet, great sheath, has a great look to it. And I want to hang that up there. It is $225, just in case you were curious, so I don't want that to fall off. Klein Tools is a well-known name, mostly known for electrical tools. The vendor has this marked as a rigger tool ball peen driver. Never seen anything like it. Of course, I'm not in that industry, and there's a lot I don't know about. Maybe some of you all have used these, but that one hadn't been struck very much, so there's not many dents and dings in it. Klein Tools is on it real well. So, pretty cool piece. Seemed like there was something else. Oh, 10 extra points if you know what that is. That is a jack for a Model A Ford. When those cars were new, many of you probably already know this, but when those cars were new, they came with a tool pouch and a jack because, you were expected to have to use that. So, it came with everything you needed to work on your car. That'd be neat if that happened today. And we also here at the Back Porch have a great example of Bluegrass Tools. you know Bluegrass oftentimes buy the blue plastic handles that you see. And this vendor particularly collects bluegrass, so he brings in a lot of bluegrass stuff that he finds on his trail. So if you're a bluegrass collector, give us a shout and we can get you what you need. Just thought we'd give you a little bit of a, kind of a roundabout here in the tool room, Mr. Jack's booth here at the Back Porch. If there's anything that you're interested in, we can ship it to you. Or if there's anything that you see that you'd like to talk about or give us some information about, tell us about how and when you used it. If you by chance happen to use one, we'd love to hear from you. Please drop us a comment. And as always, if you don't mind, like this video and share it, and we would appreciate it. I'll catch you later.